In past videos, we've covered topics such as how to choose your niche, how to brainstorm your first digital product, what equipment you should use to film your online courses, and how to brand yourself well. These are things we believe lay the foundation for your online business, besides your content, of course. If you haven't seen these videos, go to the Guide to Starting an Online Business playlist on our channel where they're all available. So now that we have all of these things in place, how do you even begin to get your products out into the world? And more importantly, into the hands of your ideal customer? We want to walk you through a simple marketing plan you can launch today to grow your audience so you can start selling online courses. To break down the basics of marketing, there are two main types of traffic: paid and free. Paid comes through means like advertising on social media or Google display networks. And free simply means organic traffic that finds your products through online resources such as blogs, social platforms, or your website. Simple enough, right? For an online business that is starting out, we recommend that you begin your marketing strategy focusing on free traffic. This means little to no overhead and a ton of creative control. Social media is a great place to start marketing your online business right now. If your business is not on social media, we did a video all about how to choose the right platform, so we'll link to that in the description below. If you are on social media, it's time to leverage that and turn your followers into paying customers. One of the best marketing tools you can leverage when it comes to social media is engagement. So our simple marketing strategy revolves around just that. Let's use Facebook as a social media platform we're marketing our business on. One strategy that we use here at Kajabi is going live. We recommend that you grow your audience by going live and participating in a conversation. Ask your followers questions, get them interested in your content, and most important, have them share with their friends. This is one tactic to grow a following on Facebook and in turn, grow the amount of people you can sell your digital product to. When people recognize that you have powerful and consistent content for free on Facebook, they're more likely to convert to paying customers because you've established reliability, credibility, and trust. The same could be said for any social media platform that you're delivering compelling and consistent content to. After building a following, you can then offer free pieces of content in exchange for a person's contact information, namely their email. That is what we call a lead magnet. Getting people's information to gain trust, to then sell them on a paid product. Kind of like asking someone on a date before asking them to get married. So, the formula is to offer well thought out and planned content on your social mediums to form a relationship with your followers and potential clients. Offer even more specific and desirable content via lead magnets, and then once you have their contact information, begin creating email marketing sequences, which, by the way, can all be done with Kajabi. If you're unsure about what to offer as a lead magnet, here are some great examples. The top 10 mistakes every marketer makes if you're a marketing expert. My Go To Weeknight Dinners if you're teaching on health and nutrition. 3 ways to improve your workouts if you're a fitness expert. A free icon pack if you're teaching graphic design tutorials. How to make money online if you're a YouTube creator. The perfect skincare routine if you're a cosmetologist. You get the idea. Offer something that a potential client could benefit from and that is valuable to them. Remember, this is just one way you can market your business and grow your audience. There are a ton of different marketing strategies, and we'd love to hear which ones you've had success with and if there are any that you'd like to hear more about. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you again soon.